Okay, beautiful evening, and we have asparagus to pick today. I was going to film yesterday, but the wind was really bad. Look at all that asparagus. Look at all that. It's going to keep me busy today. Look how much it's grown. My gosh. Jersey Supreme. Ready too. I clip him off right at the ground level. I gotta do something about the ragweed. Okay. Beautiful asparagus. Beautiful day. I like going down just one row at a time. I think when you start going row hopping, like running 2 rows, I think it's too easy to miss them. So, oh, a little short there. That's all right. It'll taste good. I think you'll miss them. So just focus on one row and come back. That guy, yeah, he's ready. Yep. We're looking for 8 inches. Nice. And let you sit. Nice. Good one. Delia is over there harvesting in the other field, and we both kind of just meet in the middle. Oh, look at that. No, just curious why it's curled. That's you got to keep your eyes out for cucumber beetle. When you get heavy winds, what'll happen is the dust kind of bangs up against some of the asparagus, so we got this just get rid of that one that's wanting to fern out. We're not ready for him to fern. This guy here, see how it's wanting to firm? No good. That one needs a little more time. But these guys, I'll let it go. Those guys that are wanting to fern, I just cut them at this time because we're not ready to let them go to fern. We want them to focus on new fruit, not putting out berries. And now this guy is too small, but I'll let him lay. Most of our stalks are in good shape, good thickness. Okay, so this is the evening picking that we got. Let me get out of the sun. But that's at least a good picking for this time of year for us. So let's go on and take a look at some other things. All right, so every evening we close the greenhouse. Delia, you want to get that side? I'll get this side. And we'll get both of these. It was nice. This FLC manual roll-up unit, I love it. That one's perfect. So we'll take a look here at what Delia's got going on. Everything looks great. Cherry tomatoes, look at them. Look at them cherry tomatoes. They are been in the ground for approximately 2
weeks.
2 weeks, so 14 days. They just look fantastic. And here's some of our cucumbers right there. And we have another row. Delia said she found one popping up.
One out of the sassy cucumber.
So we got some sassies. There it is. There's the sassy. All right, there's sassy. We got to get them planted ASAP. So then, so those are cherry tomatoes. Here we have our
we have cherry tomatoes. We have natural bite cherry and chocolate sprinkles.
Chocolate sprinkles, natural bite. And right here is beefsteak in these 2 rows. And I do see I need to put another cable line here. Yeah. Look up. Yeah, I did see that. So fortunately we're in good time. And the peppers you got is what? Gordo?
Gordo.
And you got another
Revolution.
One. Gordo, Revolution.
And then we have over here, we have flamingo, just a few, like
that's the red ones.
No, the flamingos are the yellow that turn to
orange.
Oh,
the yellow to orange, okay.
And then the red ones are red knights.
Red knight.
And then we have a yellow which is called Sensation.
Sensation. Okay. All right. Well, all looks wonderful. And we did pick up a few more beefsteaks. We should have planted some more, but from Jackson's Greenhouse, shout out to Jackson's Greenhouse. They did have some beefsteak for us. So we got 10 of them to help fill us in.
We have red romaine, green romaine, and butter crunch between the tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
Until they grow up too tall.
Yep.
They won't do.
Yep. You take advantage of this good environment. All right, let's go over here and look at our onions and garlic. Now, Delia and I, she actually over here hey, look what's coming up.
I put that one in because
okay.
for whatever reason, one seed got
I thought we had a volunteer.
No.
These 2 beds are kind of our lettuce beds, and she has some beets planted here, and over there you have
radish, and carrots.
Radish, lettuce, carrots, and we got also some green onions planted right there, and
some turnips.
And got turnips. Them turnips look kind of sorry.
Well, they just got planted.
I know, they're feeling sorry for themselves, don't they? All right. Well, we'll come on out here. Delia and I are going to try to get this house done this week if we can. That is the targeted goal. And farm tour garlic. We did spend some time hand weeding, and we've gotten 2 or 3 rows in pretty good shape. But we got 4 rows onions, and you can see they're taking off. I mean, they're starting to get that hollow tubed look, right? And they're adding leaves and all that. The garlic, same thing. We come over here, and you have yellow squash to the right
And zucchini.
and zucchini to the left. So we have that. We have, yeah, we got it. Now, taters and russets, right?
The first 4.
The first 4 is russets, because we had a lot of russets. And
Red potatoes.
red potatoes,
And then golden whatever.
Yukon Gold. Yukon Gold. And look at them though. They are popping. They are popping. Now I'm going to keep a close eye, and I'll be using perithium if I have to here, but I tell you, last year we had such a problem with the potato beetles, Japanese beetles. It's funny that they were demolishing my potatoes, but and then we had them in the field up there where we really weren't managing them very well, and when they ate up the potatoes, they started eating up the cocklebur, which really didn't bother me that much, but that's what that is. So we have potatoes. Here we planted some peas in the first 3 rows.
Sugar peas.
Sugar snap. And then we also have 3 rows of jade green bean, and we don't see them up yet either. Well, I'm just saying they're not up. It's a progress report.
Oh, okay.
It's a progress of where we're at. Yeah, so progress is 0. All right, so let's go out and look at the corn. I'll take this off for a second and we'll keep going. Well, we're out here at the corn. Now this isn't going to be coming up yet, just yet. The last 12 rows, I would love it if it did, but it just can't, because it hasn't been planted long enough for the temperatures. However, we're getting into the area that the corn should be popping. I took my soil thermometer out there halfway down the field, and the day it was about 75 degrees outside temperature. Around 2 in the afternoon, I was doing a little mowing around the edges, and the ground temp is 62 degrees, so it should be germinating. But Delia, you haven't found it? $1 bill goes to the person who finds one.
Who's going to give the $1 bill?
Well, obviously if I find one, you got to pay me $1. Isn't that how it would work, and vice versa? Now it's got to go both ways. Makes a person look for it a lot harder, just like you would if it was a mushroom or something, a morel mushroom. Up, up, up. No just way. Tease it.
No way.
No, that's funny. But all right. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, it's called a broadleaf.
No, yep.
A broadleaf. You sure I didn't plant beans here? It is. I know it. They're on 12-inch centers. What we need is some rain, so my herbicide can go ahead and kick in. It's kind of nerve-wracking, to be honest with you. We don't have enough rain for germination. I don't have enough rain to kind of help me with my weed pressure. So, all right, well, nothing yet. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Say goodbye, Delia.
Bye, Delia.
Bye, Delia. All right, Carol Burnett there.
No,
anyway,
that's not Carol Burnett. That is Burns.
George Burns.
Yeah.
Oh, good night, Gracie.
Gracie.
Yeah. All right, folks, come grow with us.